Nanda. I call her Nanda. Nanda. Ninja. Sounding like the man from Lantan. You know how they go now. Money Ross time with the show. Ushbebe there, Sabina, Naija P, and Godwin and Sabiiiiina, aka First Voice, and all of us now they holla, oh my gosh, show. You know the words want to do you strong for body. If you know holla, oh my gosh, you holla Shineke or yeah, bah. You understand? You holla the way things affect you directly. But right now, so we don't tell us that we get ogbonge girls in the presence of the house right now.
Who sing oh my gosh now?
Oh my gosh now, that's Molina. All those the whiskey mates, all the
see I tell you, whiskey don't improve.
Let me give her with Baba. So if you understand, all the whiskey mates, then Davido, they always say this one never really pick like that.
Obasanjo grand picking
that one we don't wait for that one. Once you reach here, oh Allah just starts. You understand me? But then a young since the boy they try. Now he sing follow me. Follow me. Oh. And another kind of
okay, I understand.
Tillaman colleague now. You understand? LKT. I think follow me. Follow. But this one.
But a nice work a young sis do for this particular. Oh my gosh.
No, you try now. Storm Records. They get some kind of touch. You understand with another. But that's not the issue. The issue right now be say we don't get ogbonge guests where they has, and that ogbonge guests not be new meats for the industry. And the guy don't hustle for here, hustle for London and UK and Britain. You understand? So you don't come here now. I remember some feed before that green pie. Yeah, that green hustle for a wildlife stage for Federal Palace. You understand? Hostel for rental hotel for Kenny's.
You know the way they talk, they whisper like say we did bedroom.
No, people, my fans, they hear me.
Because why you two they like bedroom?
I don't like any romantic thing. The day you go kiss me for this studio.
14 years, so 14 years. I don't know why they like bedroom matter. Tuesday na Valentine. Those we carry things over. They get Wednesday. You know, and then some even starts before Tuesday. You know, so I don't know why by Thursday your mind go sit there around bedroom things.
No, because they use bedroom voice. If you see something,
okay, you show me bedroom voice.
If you see something that's similar, okay.
Yeah, it's suspect.
Man, I'll show you bedroom voice.
Oh yeah. No.
Oh yeah.
Okay, Sabina.
Actually, wait till some skin they try tell you now. Guys, sis and babes and millers them.
Yeah, no, everybody, okay. Old, young, and the music for the old, young, and rich.
We get visitor for house this morning. And I don't hear it matter. In name na Tillaman. One of the names so they make me think. Actually, this kind of congregation. Actually, before I ask her, as he enters studio, the first question I ask her, I say, Tillaman, did you come about it? Okay, may I not just bother now with questions. Tillaman, hail Naija people that they hear you.
I did hear Naija, everything blessed with this studio, with a jolly. What he said, we don't warm up this morning on top of another coffee. You know, we need to get now.
Tillaman, I find
no, wait, Godwin. Which voice be that one?
Nah, bedroom that beddings.
No.
Interior.
No,
like me, please.
Now bedroom voice. That type of bedroom voice. And the type where we say after you don't told that your first type will low. You don't see.
You don't upgrade.
Performance don't they come. Maybe she don't enter bathroom. Ginger don't enter the voice.
Godwin.
Oh God.
What if you they respond you go they happy go they say
I'm teaching him to know.
Say
actually those things they bring a different reaction.
Already at this age, Godwin, I don't a drag woman. You're your picking, so they drag woman. And now you they tell and say performance now stage.
Well, Tillaman artist, so more perform they go.
Okay.
No, but seriously, Tillaman a fine boy. As I see Tillaman physically now, you know, come like man put tattoo for my hand, but I don't know. You know, but Tillaman you be fine boy. You don't tell us. Okay, tell us your full name and then why you call it Tillaman, and then just introduce yourself. Then we'll take one of your songs. When we come back, when we won't bombard you, we just and then you get one fine boy who's down for your side and your manager or your
best man.
You will tell us who you be later, you know, but just tell us who is Tillaman, your original name, and then your state, your item become Tillaman. And
Tillaman, my real name be Adeyemi Adetona. I come from one of the best towns in Nigeria, or your town. The true descendant of Odua, by birth and by blood. So Tillaman here is now the name we say as the thing they go, we just say no funkify him, no just put man. Tillaman, Labib man, you know, if you put Ushbebe man, Sabina
man.
You know, so I just talk about Tilla. the name Tilla is a short name. We short term for Fitila.
Okay.
Or anybody we understand Yoruba or people who understand Google to educate them. Now this kind of thing we say before electricity day for Africa or for Nigeria. Now in our forefathers they used to light their little houses with day. So I can't take and say as a guy say myself, I come from Africa and I want to shed light on top some things, make I just carry the name. This is our heritage and our culture. So baby say to my music I feel shed light on things where we need to shed light on.
Okay, now so the Tillaman take come out.
Yeah, so it will come out.
Okay. Alright, so
Tillaman. We get one two thing. Okay, for here we call it get one kind where we hear. One where we hear before say part or most part or half parts, or now you go tell us which part of your life you know today Naija since. So where you there and what you be there do for them?
I'll be there, but don't you go for a little time.
Okay.
And but we just did on we just move. I just Sabina. I don't see you for Peckham before now.
No, she's for Peckham.
Less.
Jennifer.
Less. Na Sister Funke. Now you see. What do really bring you come home?
And home them bomb you, so no place be like home. And so now they talk for the program and they listen. You know, they inspire me. Say no place be like home. And we just want to use them as signal. So we don't be abroad for, we don't pass 10, 12 years, going 15 years. So you know, the only way official people say now home will come is say make yourself come. And to the people who say they don't come before us, where they don't, you know, succeed in the place. You know, you don't need to just music. It be business.
Yes.
It be anything where they do. Because if you did yourself, all our people where they no be bathroom, toilet where they clean for them.
That made me they stay 2 days.
So that to come back, no place be like home. And of course, if you get something to offer, you put better people to offer to than your own people.
And anything we learn from wherever we go, more bring our home. Make our place better.
Okay.
Alright, we'll go take one song from Tillaman. Now when we come back, Tillaman get fantastic tracks. Now go hear up to like 4 of his tracks for this place. So which one will they take?
And from now, I'm going to take the one of the very early ones, you understand? When Tillaman to do things for the country then. For them, I tell them that time over the UK. Say, guy, when you want release that time, release Puyanga, because now you go poof and young.
We feature dollar bills for this one.
No, dollar bills. Now dollar bills is the guy named Shai.
But where you come there that time? Not in the studio that time.
No, I did airports. They're wrong with my bag.
But now you write them.
Now me write the Puyanga. The title now I give them before I know they don't book verse. Man, I enjoy the song. Now I'm Puyanga.
Come back. Be real royalty, but you're not gonna feel hide again because
I don't feel hide though. But time we say, I just signed to a new record label, Euphoric Heritage. Okay. Record label. Shout out to the General. Shout out to Vinyl Spikes. Shout out to Trigger Matt Tony. I just make an excuse that one in. I see them guys.
Nothing to you.
So what time we say when I signed to the record label, the kind of projection where we want to go now. We need to let people understand something because we want to promote culture, tradition, our image internationally through music. So the reason why I can't do that one, we say I want to make people know. So anything where they do after, then they feel relate to and say, then why Tillaman they do this kind of thing because the responsibility is on top of my shoulder. As somebody will say, I be true Yoruba language, so I was supposed to be. They do some things. If you see me now, I wear bada, me I put a bit aja. He goes, why Tillaman they dress like that? But when you don't watch that video and I don't tell you, say I'm from Oyo, I be son of the king of Oyo, you don't know. Say then why Tillaman they carry himself like that.
Okay, you be like we just talk this matter round. Who be your papa? I beg.
My papa is Royal Highness Obalamide Olawolade the third of Oyo Town.
The third.
The third.
You kid, yeah.
The third.
Okay. Obalamide Olawolade me Keta.
It makes more sense now. I would say okay, wait on the third from Oyo. Anyway, royalty they do music, nice one, and then they do real well. What will be the future for Tillaman, sharply?
Everything they say, Tillaman, as I see myself, I believe say through the struggle, it's not about, be about waiting the music won't do for me as much as anymore. It's waiting I do to the music. Now, everything our people need to get with that. Okay. Once we start to say ourselves, so waiting if we do to the music, we will contribute positively to our image internationally. So I see myself in 5, 10 years to be like an ambassador for the youth. You know, somebody who don't live abroad and is back home. My experiences, may I feel enlighten people. Say, don't be say more just the wrong go get this. You know, you feel go there, but know what they go for. Apart from that, the struggle of music, because I can relate to person who never blow. I can relate to person who don't blow, because I don't did there before with that and I don't struggle, and I'm back to the struggle. So I just think, say, being an ambassador for the youth through all the years and experience will be the kind of target where they look for.
Yes, so Tillaman, it makes sense because when you even talk, I not be said to the other person like me. I love and they travel go charge phone. Ask my men.
I see you the last time. I always say you just won't come.
You understand? I dey travel go charge phone 2 days or 1 hour reach me to do anything I want to do for UK and Britain, for London and Manchester.
Tillaman, how you go describe your music?
I would describe my music like I tell people say if you call me Pablo Picasso, if you call me because me I dey paint words, pictures with words. So I'm not restricted to anything where I feel do. I believe it's anything where you can think you can do it. So I dey express myself through music. When I dey happy, I dey express. When I feel go local because Naija dem born me, and I feel do something with international because I don't get that kind of influence as well. So now you try infuse together, make it come to one bagam or flow. We be saying nothing feel more like Olumaro.
What will be your inspiration for your songs?
My inspiration are people with around me now. God, everything where they go through, my life experiences and just my emotions and really and truly everything around me.
Real things. Real situations. Okay. Tillaman don't marry.
Fiction as well sometimes.
Have Tillaman married?
You see me as I did so now as I did.
Are you engaged or singling? Or searching?
I'm still searching. I'm still searching.
They're your blood.
I need the one girl. I won't not talk too much. My battery.
If I say you don't go pillow.
My ping don't battery if we full come now, you don't die. Cause ping thing.
Anyway, Tillaman, we did very glad say you they do strong things from time past and even till now and then the future again as you don't talk about time. Like say you never even start. Now you won't start to do some strong things for the music industry. And you they make your mark. But we go try advise you say as you get the mind to inspire Nigerian youths and youths all over the world, make sure say you keep to that vision because at some point we dey notice say some of our artists go just enter another market entirely. People where we look as role models before they'll begin they do things where go be say we not gonna understand them again. So we hope say Tillaman no go come out for the vision to inspire Nigerian and youths all over the world.
With the help of people like you, we will keep close relations and go just nobody no get the ability to want the real. But once, like you say, we will keep to the vision, keep good people around you, and then go set you online.
I will continue to train you, they teach you how to sing.
I'll
be your boy.
Advise the young people right now when they listen to you and your final words for now.
What will be, what I tell the young guys as the minister they struggle, I'll be upcoming as well. If Pepe never rest, so anybody with Pepe never rest now. But anyway, what I talk, be sure say you won't do anything you want to, not be only music. If na music you want to, take your time, make you learn. All the flossing, all this in a wash. Take your time, make you know what you want to get yourself into. So that if you know them, you will fit withstand the days where things don't go rosy. So and pray to God and be real, like I say, originality. Take time to find yourself. You feel like somebody, if you inspire you, but not do they sound like them. Now this way, everybody they sound the same way, but God will help us.
God will help us. Yes, so Naija FM.
My last word for everybody that's listening is just to tell them that whatever you can see, you can touch. Whatever you can touch, you can own. And whatever you can own, you can give. So what is the true word of life? We no go carry anything go. Now only our actions go, follow us go. So more could realize that and more could do good while we are alive.
Philosopher.
You just carry me go my school days.
I come or you give me like 18 plots of land because I want to open one philosophy study center.
Well, maybe we apologize to all our people. We not fit take on our messages, we not fit take on our calls because time no they wait for anybody. Even radio time no be our friends at all. But at least we still find time bring you Tillaman today, and we hope say some other time where we call you, you go still enter studio. Come talk with Naija people.
I don't do it before now open now. Now I'm put a chop for outside there, Seth.
No,
alright.
Tillaman.
Thank you
very
much.
Can continue now with this song from Tillaman, different level. For others now where they feel love swag. And I know say for our office now, our Valentine flowers still there, so we just want to still continue the lobby. Enjoy this one, different level from Tillaman. Carry go.
Yeah.